and Riley are going to play the Play-Doh challenge where we got to pick a suggestion from this hat and we have to do that Play-Doh creation. So, yeah. So, me and Riley both did two suggestions in this hat. So, yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, but first, we need to call Riley. There she is. Okay. 1 moment, please. Okay, so let's pick a suggestion from the hat. Me? Should you go first or I? Okay. And what is it? It's cake?
I have to make it?
Cake. We have to make cake.
Okay, let's make it.
Make a cake. Okay, so.
Okay,
so we got our supplies.
And let's get started.
Get started.
Mine a chocolate cake.
I don't know what I should make mine. Yeah, mine's gonna be vanilla as well. No, mine's gonna be vanilla.
I can't make chocolate.
Oh,
You're trash.
That was a hard Play-Doh.
Guess I'll make vanilla. Actually, I'll make.
Oh, that's hard.
Velvet.
Oh, that's a smart thing. Oh my god, I got new Play-Doh. Bruh.
Excuse me.
Just gotta pop this new Play-Doh.
Wow.
Go out! Oh, I got it. Yay. Oh. Oh, there's hair on it. Okay. Here was my vanilla cake. Ooh. Smells awful. Wait.
I can't find anything to start my cake.
Oh, no. What about vanilla? Yellow. There's a lot of yellows in there.
I wanted a new one, though.
Yellow.
It's not a new
Yellow.
one. But you
Yellow.
already got the new one.
So,
These are the new ones that look weird.
this one's filled with yellow.
Blueberry.
Oh. Blueberry cake. Never heard of it. But okay. Well, I've heard of blueberry
It's
cake.
not
but
new.
It's not.
I just used yellow because
Oh my god.
I'm using vanilla.
Yes, please. Just do vanilla.
How big is it gonna be?
I don't know. So, we'll come back in a second. You trying, bro?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like you're trying. What the cake? Mine's like this. I
That's
rolled it
really
this way. Well, I'm gonna put frosting on it. Duh.
I know, but it's like weird looking.
Well, duh, because all cakes are weird looking when they... Frosting. Frosting! We have technical difficulties right now. Riley is mad because she can't open her darn Play-Doh jar.
I got it! I got it!
Is it good?
See this finger with straw.
She's having so much struggles. Struggle is real for her.
Can I use that?
What? This?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Just threw those
I need that.
Well, I need it more. No! No! No!
So I'm just.
I changed the shape of my cake. It's like a cheese
There,
now.
that's better.
Flabby frosting. Okay. Slap that frosting, watch it burn.
So
Sing to the
mixing
river,
these.
last I learn. Take that birdie, watch it burn. Okay. Take that money, watch it burn. Okay. I'm trying. This is not working. I need more dough. I mean frosting. Frosting, frosting. I'll just use your extras. Wake me up. Wake me up inside. Can't wake up. Wake me up and save me. That's what I feel like right now. No, Riley!
What?
You're gonna mix them!
Look.
Thanks, Riley. Oh. Oh,
This is all for nothing.
sorry. But be careful. Don't press it, okay?
Okay. Where's the rolling?
Brr. Riley, please don't get mad on camera. She's like King Kong when she's angry.
Excuse me?
Oh, that's funny. I'm just kidding, really.
Good. Better.
You're like Godzilla.
Thanks.
Oh. Did you know Godzilla's a girl?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Trying to
Okay.
roll it out. Do-do-do-do. Rolling pin. Rolling pin.
I'm so glad these scissors work.
Rolling pin. Rolling
My
pin.
fingers don't fit in them. So it's just circles. Ow!
Oh my god, do this with my Play-Doh. It's so smooth and soft. No, be careful. I wish you guys could feel this right now because it feels so soft. Look at that. It's so smooth.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
No.
No, I'm not gonna do anything bad. Feel it. Feel it.
Please stop doing that to my camera.
You don't even have a camera. That's a phone.
It's a phone, but the camera is on the phone. So, exactly, Mer. Now you got a friend in the jewelry business. Bruh. You okay, bro?
No.
See, this is what I mean by Godzilla.
Stop.
Okay.
No.
1-800 contacts. Just get this. I'm writing on my desk. Who cares? Who cares right now? Oh, yeah. You got that, really?
No. Yours looks so much more better. I hate my life.
No, don't.
I'm gonna pause this for.
There's hair in my cake. Gross. Yeah. Some more hair. Get out of here, hair. You're not wanted here. Ah! Smooth my cake down with the rolling pin. Just smooth it down with this eraser.
The camera's not on. It's not rolling.
Yes, it is.
Did you unpause it?
Yes. What? This is my cake so far. Jesus.
It is so much more better than mine.
Oh, really? It's okay.
No, it's not okay. I'm never okay.
She always says that. I don't know why.
Because I'm never okay.
Just taking
Well, do you see
forever.
those lines in it? That's really cool.
Okay, guys, change of plans. We are only going to do one BRB.
Bye.
Yeah. Yeah, she got a new one now. Yay. She's happy.
It's so soft and squishy, like always.
This one smells like cookies. Like, no joke. Smells like cookies. This Play-Doh smells like cookies. Don't know why. It smells like cookies. I don't know why. But whatever. Whatever.
Ow!
You okay?
No.
Sorry. Oh. They're not even sticking to your tape.
That's funny.
Come on, there we go. It's out now. Some more spread on over there. Ugh, mine looks like a turd. Disgusting.
I'm not even doing sprinkles. I'm
Disgusting.
not doing these. Never mind.
With the sprinkles.
Can I use that after?
Yeah, I'm almost done. I need to. Well, you can use it now. There's all these tips. And that one. Would you like a tip?
How do you?
You twist.
Which way?
Oh, your hand was sweaty.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, sorry. She picked a light blue tip. So cute. Okay, I was gonna use that for my